those are heavy. So today is the first day I drove the truck to work. The first day I've even had a chance to really take it on the freeway and hit 75 and 80 miles an hour. It ran great, nice and quiet. Very nice and quiet. I used a little less than a quarter tank of fuel. Handles real good, it's really tight, you know. Comfortable. For some reason it seems like it's either the front window's bigger or the dash area or something's bigger. Seems bigger for some reason. Yeah, it's pretty comfortable. And that's all I'm going to tell you for now. I'd like to take this truck out for a maiden voyage, just as is. But you know, I'm looking at it right now, and it's got that front air dam in the front, and it's only about that high off the ground, so that's not going to work very good. I think that's the only issue with it. You know, I had a similar issue with the Tacoma when I took it out. The first time I took it out, I don't think it had an air dam like that, but it had the mud flaps that dragged on everything. This truck doesn't have any mud flaps. The transmission is an 8-speed automatic, so I don't know how that's going to work in alley traffic, or the traffic here in Southern California, because I'm just thinking, you know, traffic here in Southern California, it speeds up, it slows down, it speeds up, it slows down. So that transmission's got to shift in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, back and forth all day long. I don't know. Doing 75 and 80 miles an hour this morning, it just glided along. There's no traffic at 5 a.m. when I go to work. Oh, there's a little traffic. And that's because I'm going east, away from Los Angeles, yeah. Away from downtown Los Angeles, which is that way. Everybody's going that way. Traffic coming that way in the morning is terrible. Lucky for me, I'm going in the opposite direction, so. But we'll see when I get a chance to get around to this, and I'll show you a little bit more of the truck, the engine, the driveline, and maybe some of the electronic features. And that's it for now. I'm going to do a little work on the Bronco. I got to get the Bronco up and running proper in case I have to take it to work. You know, when I take this apart, I might need it to get around.